How's you all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to do a review on this mannequin head holder clamp, and it was about $12. It was just under $12. It's the little plastic one, and you clamp it onto your table. I got a glass table in here, and I don't think I'm going to clamp it on there. Oh, it'll work. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. Well, I'm not clamping this on my glass table. Okay. Well, anyway, you put this on the edge of your table or wherever it'll fit. And just turn this little metal, what is this, a bolt? And this will close up. And it's kind of padded in here so it won't mess up the finish of your furniture. See how that is? It's on both ends. And this is adjustable. This is what the wig head fits on. See? And this is adjustable so you can make the head go in the direction you want it to go in. And then you can just tighten it back up. And I got this from Amazon.com, and I'll leave a link. Okay, it's very nice for making wigs or styling wigs or whatever you want to do. Very nice. Okay, that's my little short review for this. And I used this before I got the tall stand. Okay, thanks for watching. You all have a blessed day. Don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.